Good morning, dear students. I am your maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you estimated difference and actual difference. Today I am going to teach you estimated difference and actual difference. We will do estimation to the nearest 100. We will do estimation to the nearest 100 in this video. First of all, we will learn what is the meaning of estimate. Estimate means approximate calculation. Approximate calculation or rough calculation. Approximate calculation or rough calculation of any number, any digit, and rough idea when we do round off to the zeros. We will learn this thing on number line. We will learn this thing on number line. Okay, so here we will learn rounding off to the nearest 100 on the number line. Okay, first of all, I have an example. For example, I have to round off 232 round off to the nearest 100 करना इसका. What I can do is that we will observe tens value numbers 32. We will observe 30. Okay, it is smaller. 30 will come here. 32 below 50. 50 से पीछे. 32 is smaller than 50. 32 is smaller than 50, right? So what we can do is that if the tens value is smaller than 50 means up to 49, smaller than 50, it will go to the lower 100, previous 100. Okay, it will go to the lower 100. This is the rule we have to follow. So 232 will round off to 200, will round off to 200 to the previous 100. Similarly, 6946. Now what we have to observe? 46. 46 is bigger than 46 is again smaller than 50. 46 is again smaller than 50. So it will also go to the lower 100. It will also go to the lower 100. It will become 6900. 6900. 900 वाले 100 पे जाएगा. Okay. Lower 100 is the same 100. Fine. But if we have to do round off to the upper 100, what we have to observe? We have to observe the tens value should be 50 or above 50. More than 50 up to 99. Up to 99. If it will be up to 99, then we will round up to the nearest upper 100. Okay. See, for example, 3256. Now we have to observe 56. As I told you, tens value 56. It is bigger than 50. So it will round off to the upper 100. And what will be the upper 100? Next 100 of 200. Here 200. Here 300. Here we will write 200. Here we will write 300. So it will go to the upper 100. 300. 3300. Similarly, here I write 600. And if I write 700. So it will be 675. Where it will come? 75 will come almost here, right? So it is bigger than 50. So it will go to the upper 100. It is 700. It will go to the upper 100. It will become 700. In this we will do estimate or round off the numbers to the nearest 100. Clear? Now we will do our exercise 4.4 question 1. Subtract the following using estimation to the nearest 100 and compare with the actual value. First part is 3742 from 6483. We have to solve this first part. Okay. For solution, we will do, first of all, we will copy the question here, right? Then we will make this step. As we know, the number which is greater will comes first and the smaller will come at the back for subtraction. So we will write in this form, equation form. 6483 minus 3742. Now we will round off both the numbers one by 1 as we have done on number line. rounding of 6483 to the nearest 100, right? Now see, 83 कहाँ आएगा? 83 will come here, right? So it will go to the upper 100. And what will be the upper 100 of 400? Upper 100 of 400 will be 500, right? So it will become 6,500. Similarly, if we have to do 3,742, 42 will be smaller than 50, so it will go to the lower 100. And what will be the lower 100 of 700? Previous 700. It will become 3,700. Hope you understood rounding off to the both numbers. In first step we will do this thing. Next, the required difference. We have to find the required difference. What is that? 6,500 minus 3,700. What we will do? Subtraction. 6,500 minus 3,700. We will do the subtraction here. 0, 0. It will take borrow. It will give borrow. It will become 8 and 2. So our subtraction required difference will be 2,800. Now we have to find out the actual difference. Now what are the actual digits we have? We have 6,483 minus 3,742. We will do here 6,483 subtract it. Don't forget the symbol of subtraction. It is very important. Fine. So it will be, our answer will be 4. It will take borrow. It will give borrow. 7 and 2. Fine. So our answer has come here 2,741. When we have done with required estimated sums, when we use estimated difference, when we do the estimated difference, then answer has come 2,800. And when we have done actual difference, the answer has come 2,741. Now last line what we are supposed to write is the actual difference is 2,741 rounded to the nearest 100 is, if we round off 2,741, अगर मैं 41 को राउंड ऑफ करती हूँ, 41 यहाँ पे होगा, right, which is smaller than 50, so it will go to the previous 100. 2,741, 41 का previous क्या आएगा? 700. क्या हो जाएगा? 2,700. What will be the estimate of it? 2,700. So here we will write the actual difference 2,741 rounded to the nearest 100 is 2,700. Here we have done the solution on in this way. So this is of 3 marks. You have to follow all the steps very carefully. You have to do all the steps very carefully and solve the digits on number line. I hope you understood how to round off the digits to the nearest 100 on the number line. So do it and revise it twice. Thank you. Have a great day.